For number 10, it's telling me that I need to find the measure of angle CBA, so CBA, this angle right here, and CFA. All it tells me is that this big arc right here measures 240 degrees. But I know that a whole circle is 360, so if I do 360 minus 240, I'll find that the measure of arc AC is 120 degrees. So this arc right here is 120 degrees. We know that the arc and the central angle will have the same measure. So we already know that the measure of angle CFA must also be 120 degrees. Then from there, the measure of angle CBA is going to be, which is an inscribed angle, is going to be half of the intercepted arc. So half of 120 degrees would give us 60 degrees. Moving on to number 11. It says that the quadrilateral is inscribed in the circle. We're trying to solve for x, y, and then find the measure of angle C. We know that when we have a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle that the opposite angles are going to be supplementary. Supplementary meaning equaling 180. So I'm going to start with y and say 3y plus 2y minus 20 must equal 180. If I add 20 to both sides, and I also combine my y's, I get 5y equals 200. So y must be 40. So I can write that here. Then I can plug my y in to solve for the measure of angle C. 40 times 2 is going to be 80, and 80 minus 20, is 60 degrees. When we're solving for x, we know that the opposite angles in a quadrilateral are supplementary. So we can say 80 plus 4x equals 180. I'll subtract 80 from both sides to find that 4x equals 100. If I divide both sides by 4, x must be 25.